This is Streamlabs Blurry Stream FIX. If your stream looks blurry, let's give it a little makeover. We're talking about getting rid of that blur and making everything look super sharp and crisp for your bodies watching. Now, one of the reasons why your stream is a bit blurry is probably because you are streaming at a higher video quality than what your internet is capable. Now, I'm gonna show you how we can fix that. So first things first, we're going to open our browser and then we're just going to go to speed test and we're going to check our speed test first. Okay, so as you can see, my speed is around 200 Mbps. Now, if I'm going to go here, the stream requirements coming from YouTube is basically 40 Mbps if you're going to stream 4K at 60 FPS. Now, you might be tempted in doing so, but I definitely discourage you from doing that because what will happen is that your audience, people who are watching you, might have a little bit of hard time watching you because their download speed might not be that good. So basically, I'm just going to settle here at 1080p at 30 FPS. So the requirement here is just 3 Mbps or 8 Mbps if you're going to max the bitrate settings. Now, let's check the bitrate settings coming from Twitch. So I usually use Twitch. In this case, it's basically going to be most likely the same. Okay, now here in Twitch, 1080p, 30 FPS, basically the bitrate requirement is just 4500. Now, I'd like to remind you guys that basically a good upload speed for your live streaming will vary from one platform to another. So that is very important. Now, you're going to just check it out. Again, the upload speed is what matters the most here. Now, we're going to go back and then just put this a bit on the side, and then the same thing here, we're going to put it here. And then we're just going to go to settings. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so we're going to go here in our Streamlabs and then we're going to click settings and then we're just going to follow this one. So let's go to output first and then we're going to see here streaming. So it's my encoder. I have here X264 and this is software encoder. I don't have NVIDIA, so that's very sad. Now, rate control is CBR, so I already have it CBR, and then the bitrate is 4500. Now, for the key interval, I can set this to 2. Or you can set 0 to auto, but the recommended is 2 seconds. I think that's going to be good. And then for the CPU usage preset, this is very fast to medium, so you can just set it there. I just put mine at very fast. And then profile, you can just put it on main or high. So I'm just going to put it on high. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go here in video. So for the base canvas resolution, I set mine at 1920 by 1080p. And then for the output scale resolution, 1920 by 1080p is just the same. So basically, I don't need a downscale filter. But yeah, you have to basically choose. So I chose mine. So this is bilinear. Again, this is not very much important because we have the same baseline resolution. So for the FPS, I have set it to common FPS values and then 30 seconds, just basically the same here. Now, once that's done, you're just going to click done and congratulations. Now you have fixed your blurry stream on Streamlabs OBS. And by the way, I would highly suggest to upgrade to Streamlabs Ultra to level up your streaming quality and experience. You can save up to $10 of discount right away after clicking on the link in the description box and the comment section below. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.